Hello friends, welcome to my channel Vegetarian Keto Rocks. And if you love okra but don't love all the oil that usually comes with it, you have to try this. Today I'm making one of my favorite ways to cook okra. It's simple, flavorful, and you can get this nice crispy texture without deep frying. So start by washing the bhindi, that is okra, really well and make sure it completely dry before cutting it. This is important because extra moisture can make it more slimy. So now the thing is we are going to cut the okras. So there is a shortcut, you can assemble them together and cut down in smaller pieces. It's your choice if you want to keep them in vertical, just 1 by 4. You can do that also. So for this recipe, I'm going to cut it into small pieces. So honestly, okra is such an underrated vegetable. So I'm making it very simple to add little seasoning. For air frying, I'm adding the basic ingredients. You can check that in the captions. So adding very little, 1 drop of oil, which will make it crispy during air frying. Now comes the part that makes the recipe so good. Instead of deep frying, we are going to cook it with very much less oil. So spread the okra so that it cooks evenly and has a chance to get that beautiful roasted, slightly crispy texture. On the side, we'll get ready with the chopped onions, chopped ginger and garlic. For the tadka, heat the pan and add 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm using olive oil. You can use mustard oil and other cooking oil as well, and add cumin seeds to it and chopped ginger and garlic onion to it. Cook it until the onion become golden brown. Once the onion turns golden brown, it's time to add our half fried okra into it, and we'll give it a time to get it more crispy. And now we are going to add the same ingredients, that is turmeric, red pepper, salt, coriander powder and amchur powder. Amchur powder is the dry mango powder. We usually add it when we are not using the tomatoes. Instead of tomatoes, we are adding the amchur for the little tangy and chutpata flavor to it. It's almost done. Uh, I would prefer it to cover and cook for more 5 minutes. And if you like half cooked or little raw, that is also very good. It is very easy with lots of flavor, and sometimes you can make it in an everyday meal. Serve it hot, enjoy it as a side with your favorite meal. And if you like finding simple, healthier recipes and interesting food finds, follow along. I have a more